Go cool down. Leave me alone. Grab him. Seriously, dude, you gotta chill out. Back off. Listen to us, Robbie. You can fight this.
I have an idea. Jax, get the chopper sword out here now.
Roger that, Joey.
Guys! Okay. Sorry, Robbie. You leave me no choice. You're gonna have to cool off the hard way.
Zoe, be careful. He's running hot.
Here goes.
Oh no! Robbie! Zoe!
Zoe, grab a hold.
That was close! Jax, get them back to base!
Stop moving around!
Come on, let's help him finish her. Thanks, guys.
How dare you? Just wait, Rangers. I'll be back.
She got away again. We'll worry about her later. We gotta check on Robbie. Yeah, come on. Just hold still. Can't believe that robot got away again. Don't worry, there'll be next time. Well, it's strange. Your body temperature is still running high even though you're no longer fighting. Don't worry about it. I feel fine.
But that ocean water should have cooled you off. I don't know what he'd do if my carrot stopped working.
Anything unusual happened? Don't ask me. Nate's the boy genius. What's she doing here?
Smash asked me to come.
Yeah, I think you two really need to talk.
All I need from her is an apology.
Maybe, but first I want an explanation. You said he was ready to explain.
Why can't you two just get along?
Because one of us doesn't trust the other.
Because you're keeping secrets from me.
Come on, guys, calm down.
Isn't it your anniversary? You should be happy, right?
I don't want to talk about it, but you know what? You can keep this. See ya.
Roxy, what's going on? Robbie's been getting text messages from some girl named Stacy. I think he gave her one of his paintings.
That doesn't sound like Ravi.
And when I asked him about it, he flipped.
Stacy.
Can you give him something for me?
Of course we can. I'll make sure he gets it. Thanks, Mel.
Oh, forget the man. Makes me feel so old. Just call me Stacy.
Wait, you're Stacy?
Yes, dear. Why do you ask?
Have you been texting Robbie?
Sure have. He said he needed that folder urgently. Luckily, his number was on it.
Oh, well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We'll walk you out. It's beautiful. Robbie made this for me.